And there's even just in the hormonal peptides, the body makes over 50 of these. And we can sequence these in the labs. They're very easy to sequence in general, especially when you get to the shorter versions of them. So this is an insulin peptide, insulin protein, insulin polypeptide, whatever you want to call it, but it's 2 strings of amino acids. And you can see how a peptide is actually sequenced is they just string together the amino acids. And as long as you know that sequence, you can create these in the lab. And that's why peptides are inexpensive to manufacture. You just need a peptide sequencer. You need to measure and make sure it's doing exactly what you think it's doing, and you move forward with it. But in general, proteins and peptides are what we call pleiotropic, which means they're like this is the growth hormone peptide. And each tissue in the body has a different response to that based on a lock and key mechanism of receptors. So we have these little yellow spots, which would be different areas on there that are different keys for different tissues. So there's one key up here may be the key for fat cells. The other one may be muscle. The other one may be liver. But it's just like the protein is a string of keys. And what we do when we take a peptide is we just take a piece